Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn one single image into multiple camera angles using Nano Banana Pro. I've already prepared all the prompts for you, so you don't need to figure anything out yourself. You can find them directly in our Telegram or Discord channel. No wasting time, let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Go to the AI image generator. Once you're inside Edimakor, go to AI image, image generator, reference image. Here, upload your image. Step 3. Multiple camera angle. Under the image, paste in the prompt I prepared for you. Each prompt is designed for a specific camera angle, and in the document, I've also added a reference image for each prompt, so you can clearly see which angle it creates. Step 4. Generate the image. Next, select your resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. And that's it. Your image is ready. Using the same image, you can now generate any camera angle you want. And that's how easy it is to turn one image into multiple camera angles with Nano Banana Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.